Why do you hate me so much?
What?
Why do you hate me so much?
Should I listen to the reasons on film?
Yes, on film. Why do you hate me so much?
Because you smell.
Because I what?
You smell?
Just like the eggs you're making? Or worse?
You smell like the eggs I'm making a week from now.
What? Do you love me? Hurry up, bitch, I'm hungry.
Go see if those bagels are burned. See if they're ready.
They're ready.
They're good?
Yep, they're good.
Did you just get a video of them?
Yeah. Tell me you love me and I'll turn off the camera. Don't stab me. Please.
Imagine if I did.
Imagine. Tell me you love me, I'll turn off the camera.
I stabbed you. And you...
Tell me you hate me and I'll turn off the camera. That may be a little easier.
I hate you.
Alright, peace out.